Alright guys, what's up? We're doing a trade breakdown. I've got break even on this trade, and then also going to be showing you my swing trades. Yeah, let's just get straight into it. So on the Nasdaq, right, on the daily, we're obviously really bullish, so we just want to be looking for buys. So yesterday, right, there was a structure right here. We broke it really nicely with a fair value gap with displacement. Okay, so of course I'm looking for buys still. I then go down to the hourly. I see this key level right here. It gets broken. That's another nice confluence, and then retests. Very nice. Pushes up and then retests again, sweeping out these lows. So it's just a really nice sequence that I noticed that we can look for longs. So then I go down to the 15-minute. I see that at NYSE we've broken this high. So NYC was around here, yeah. So it broke this high. So at this point, I'm looking for some sort of retest into this zone, so then I can look for longs. So I'll go down to the 5-minute. I then see that we have broken it really nicely, right? And then we retest it. It was quite a deep retrace, but I think it was fine in my opinion. It was valid. On the 15-minute, it also looked really valid. Let me just show you because that's quite important. Just look how valid this looks. Plus it just like rejected straight away, so it went down and quickly went up. So moving on, I just simply wait for my charge. On the 5-minute, boom, it happens up here. Quite a late entry, but it's okay. Usually I just take it up there. Some people like to wait and take it, but I don't, because a lot of times it just doesn't come back down. It just flies up to TP. So boom, and then my stop loss placement was quite important, so I put it right there. There's a reason why I did that. I'll show you in a sec. And then as usual, 1 to 2 right there. And then so look, this was the reason why my stop loss placement was there. It's because it's right below the fair value gap, and I just believe that it won't go back there and below this whole breaker. So if it does go down below there again, then I just know that it's not a very high probability trade. It's not something that I'm interested in, you know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So at around 8 o'clock, right, or was it 7? Around 5 or 6, right, I closed out my trade. I mean, I didn't close out. I put my stop loss to break even. Just because, as you can see, volume was getting so bad and slow. So then I put it to break even, and then came and stopped me out at around 7 p.m. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's quite a short trade breakdown, but yeah. Let me just quickly go over my swing positions. So over here's gold. My stop loss is a bit too big. I need to practice refining it. But essentially what I saw is on the daily, we're in an order block and we induced this low. So that's why I'm looking for shorts. It's just going to be a quick in and out. I don't think my TP is going to be there. Probably going to be the next short-term low. So look right 1 to 1 or something. The next one is GBP JPY. You guys already know about. No, you don't know about this. Y'all don't know. So there's a piece of structure right here got broken. Okay, and then now it's getting retested. On the daily, order block right here. Very nice. Quite a late entry, but it's alright. We get a better RR. I don't know where to put my stop loss still, but I just put it at this next low. So yeah, right now it's just going really nicely, to be honest. Let's check on the hourly. Yeah, nice and clean. Nice and clean. Okay, next one, USD JPY. You guys know about this. I mean, it's mid. I just rejected to the upside. And yeah, that's pretty much it, to be honest. Let me just show you the executions. Oh, there's no Wi-Fi, wait. That's the gold one. Looks really nice. But yeah, guys. Who even watches this, bro? If you are watching it, let me know what video ideas to do. I'm tapping with the socials, bro.